Dear audiences, we are going on this very enjoyable, interesting festival event. Now we are in which country? Could you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, my name is Hamza, and I'm from Syria, from Homs.
Is it your first participation here?
No, we actually participated last year. Our first year since the new government, the new flag, new identity. So, we are still kind of celebrating.
What did you interested in Bilgi University? What did you learn here? What is your interest in Bilgi University?
Like my field of study.
Yes, in your field of study, in your practice, in your life.
It's a university with a lot of different nationalities, as you can see, and it was nice seeing the different people from all the different parts of the world, and that they're all like inclusive. We can all kind of like communicate with the same language, with English. It's an international university. At the end of
Can
the
you
day,
show which one is similar with Turkish nationality?
funny thing, a lot of the things we bought here are from stores in Turkey here.
In Turkey.
Like
you
this.
didn't bring from your country?
Yeah, some of them.
From Turkey?
Yeah, like.
One thing.
Okay, please.
I just figured out that we have a Syrian coffee. It's called Mırra.
Murra.
And then a Turkish guy came and he told me, oh, this is also Turkish. So this is one similarity. They call it Mırra.
Murra.
In Urfa and Gaziantep. So
What is the Murra? Murra.
it's like sour coffee, acı kahve.
What would you like to say for national students here?
I would like to thank everyone for this nice vibes that we had today, and I am really proud to represent my country here, and I'm happy to see this difference. I would really want to thank Bilgi and also Turkmenistan. Thank you, Alazim Consulting, for this nice event.
Thank you for you all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice, enjoyable day.
You too, thank you.
Thank you.
Alazim Consulting.